Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican jerk chicken. Well, not exactly me. My boyfriend's going to show you how to make it. But yeah, it's pretty simple. It's a very common dish in Jamaica. So if you're interested in learning how to make it, please continue watching and let's get into it. So basically what you would need to make jerk chicken is, of course, chicken. So we have some chicken breasts, some chicken legs, and some wings. And you want to make sure that the chicken is washed thoroughly. So by washing, I mean cleaning the chicken with vinegar and lime, or you can use vinegar and lemon, and then washing it thoroughly with water. You want to make sure you get rid of all that bacteria and that your chicken is nice and fresh. We also put some slits in the chicken. That way when we throw like the jerk seasoning on top, it will really get into the meat. What we like to do is marinate the chicken overnight. You can make jerk chicken the same day if you wanted to, but if you let it marinate overnight, the flavors will infuse in the chicken, and that's what we want. Also, you're gonna need some yellow peppers, some red peppers, some green peppers, some onions, some scallions, some garlic, and some ginger. And then the most important part is the jerk seasoning. So you can buy jerk seasoning or you can make it on your own if you want. I have a video on my channel on how to make jerk seasoning. So we just made this one about an hour ago and we're gonna put this on the chicken. So yeah, my boyfriend's gonna take over now and he's gonna explain the process.
Okay, now you take the jerk sauce and you're gonna layer it over the chicken. You just put enough to cover the chicken. You don't want to put too much. And now here, like the leg.
Oh, sorry. I just want to add, make sure you wash your hands before and after dealing with any kind of like meat products. Sorry, go on.
So here you have like the leg quarters. You roll up the skin like this so that all the sauce can go underneath, so that when you put it to marinate, all the sauce and the flavors are throughout your chicken. And you rub some between the slits of your chicken. So you want to get it all in there. In your leg quarters here, like these sections here, you want to put some of your sauces there. So it's thoroughly marinated when you're ready to cook it on the grill or in the oven.
And if you don't want to use your hands, you can always wear gloves and use it. It's probably more sanitary too. But when you use your fingers, you really get in there.
Yeah. So now after you've gotten all of the jerk sauce throughout the chicken, what you're gonna do now is you're gonna add your green onions and all that good stuff. You're gonna add it to cover it. So I'm gonna throw all of that in there and I'm gonna mix it with the chicken.
And how much jerk sauce or jerk seasoning would you say you used?
Well, that's the thing. I cannot give an exact measurement. I just go off based on how I look at the chicken. What I want to do is make sure all of the chicken is covered, but I don't want to have too much in here to have like a soupy mixture, as you can see. I just want to have enough to cover it.
And I guess it's a personal preference too, right?
Yeah. Go. And you're about done. All you have to do now is just cover it with a cover or cellophane wrap and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours and you're all good.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. And then we'll check back in tomorrow when we're ready to put this on the grill. So it's the next day, and this is what the chicken is looking like. You could really smell all the flavors. I just wanted to mention, because we forgot to mention it last night when we were marinating the chicken, but we also applied some chicken seasoning after we put in the jerk seasoning. And we also used some of the Goya adobo seasoning. So yeah, we're just gonna let it marinate for a bit more, and then we're gonna start grilling soon. So the chicken has been marinating about 18 hours now, and it's completely optional. You don't have to marinate it this long. We just chose to do it that way. We get all the nice juicy flavors, and we're gonna put it on the grill. And then a secret ingredient. In Jamaica, they usually put red stripe, but we couldn't find any red stripe. So we're gonna put some Heineken while we're grilling it as well. So we're just making Sophie a plain chicken breast. And then here's all the jerk chicken. And then we're just gonna pour some Heineken on top.
Now we're gonna check in on the chicken and see how well they're doing. So you wanna be careful not to rip it all off. So you just kind of slide the tongue underneath, a gentle nudge, flip. Looking really good.
We have little baby pieces.
A little bit of beer.
So I'm just making a little sauce for the jerk chicken. So I just used whatever was left in the container that had the jerk chicken, and I'm putting it on the stove over medium heat to let it simmer. And we just took like 2 little pieces of the jerk chicken in here as well to add some flavor to the sauce. Okay, so we're gonna add some ketchup to the sauce. Okay. Now we're gonna stir that around. And we're also gonna add some barbecue sauce. And then we're gonna add a little bit of water. Okay, and we're gonna let this simmer on medium heat. And this is how the gravy is coming along. So you just have it simmering. You just want the sauce to thicken up a bit. And then you can just pour this over the chicken and it'll be nice and tasty and moist. So this is the finished product. We roasted some green, yellow, and red peppers as well to add a garnish. So this is it, guys. So here's the jerk chicken. There's a video on my channel about this. Here are the rice and peas. And there'll be a video on my channel about this as well. And the coleslaw.